Welcome everybody. Today we start with the Longhua Jian, the dragon sword. When you want to learn Wudang sword, we should start with this form because it inherits all the basic principles that we need for Taoist sword fighting. At the same time, this form is from the Longhua, so the dragon roots, right? Which are one of the oldest in the Wudang Sanfeng Pai. So you are learning here an ancient form with a lot of basic principles for you to further understand authentic Taoist sword fighting. So with this, we start here our first episode. Let's go. So we start our form like all others. We step the feet close, the body straight, the hip inside, the shoulders relaxed. And in our right hand, we have the sword hand, which should be connected with the thumb and the two pointy fingers sticking out like this. The sword hand, if you're not familiar with this, is a guiding hand for our sword training. You can see similar habit in other cultures, but in China the sword hand always looks like this, and it is harmonizing all other movements and giving the direction to the power. So basically, when we are cutting, the tip of the blade is the end of our intention, the end of our power, and this is always exactly where the sword hand is pointing to. Okay, so giving you an idea of the function of our sword hand. So now starting with the form, we first step like this. You see here, we bring the hip slightly to the left, so we can go into this movement with shifting the gravity center 50-50% between our feet. Look here, one, yeah, see here, one. Now, at the same time when we're stepping, we raise the arms like this. See, the sword hand is turning upward, and we look here. All right. How do we hold the sword? The same as the sword hand. The two fingers pointing out, and we're holding with the other two fingers like so, directly behind the hilt. One. Understand? Now we step in by raising the arms. The right step is going through like this. And we go into 𝐒𝐬𝐵 position like this. Understand? You should already know the 𝐒𝐬𝐵 because when you study this form, you should know the 𝐸 and 𝐸. If you don't know what 𝐸 and 𝐸 is, look up in our forms. It's the first basic forms that teach you all the basic positions. So here we are in 𝐸𝐵. The knee is inside the other knee. All right? And the sword hand is on top of the back of the hand. The tip is pointing horizontally to the left, and you are looking to the left. So now let me show you from both sides. 1, 2. Okay, see it here? 1, 2. Understand? Now what's important, afterwards in 𝐸𝐵 position, we put the hand above our head and we stand up. At the same time we turn the body and go like this. Now again, the sword hand is on top, inside of the hand, on the hilt. And we are looking to the tip of the sword. This time, the sword is in the same angle as the underarm and is resting here. And we are looking to the tip of the blade, which now, of course, because of body position, is slightly angled up. And the chest should rest on the knees, like this. Okay, so now let me show you the section. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Understand? Let me show you from the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we know this sequence. Let's see what's coming next. Then we are here in this position. Watch carefully. First, we step in 45 degrees and slightly bring the sword in front of the chest. From the chest on, we go like this. Only step up half high. Don't step up fully. Step up half. Now we here. Go in circular motion, see here. Gombo, straight left leg. Change mabu, straight right leg. And pierce. The left hand is now sword. And we're switching the hand to the other hand, see here. Here, 1, slowly. 2, 3. And as I explained before, the left sword hand now is pointing to the tip of the sword. When we are holding the sword, make sure these 3 fingers are closing the hilt, like this. The 2 fingers here are more relaxed. So here, 1, 2, 1, 2. And the gombo is in 45-degree angle. Let me show you from the other side. We are here. 1, 2. Now watch carefully what is happening. We step mabu like this. Understand? See here. From gombo 45, we are stepping into mabu. So now let's try practicing it again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Mabu. The sword hand is here, on the hand and looking in the same direction of the sword. All right, I think this is enough information for our first episode. A few pointers: make sure you coordinate the leg movement with the arm movement, and also when you step down, that you learn to look into the direction of the sword. This is very important for your form. At the first cut, after we do the pierce, the first cut should be in marble 60-40. So this means your gravity center should be 60% on the back and the body is going slightly forward to enhance your reach of the cut. And you're using the hip for the movement. Keep in mind and try to practice your marble position here. The first pierce in the gombo goes in spiral motion. See here. We start from here. And then it goes in round shape like this. And then we pierce. Understand? So this is like a circle coming forward. All right? I hope this information helped you. And keep practicing your 𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸𝐸. We'll see you soon for next episode. Goodbye.